How's it going, everyone? Ivan here from the Realistic Viewer channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing for my new Ultra HD 4K monitor, the 27UD88. It's 27 inch and 68 centimeters in the width. So if you want a good monitor that you can edit on, play some games on once in a while, and get some great blacks, but also be future-proof with USB-C, this is a good option to select. And if you want to consider it, I'll place some links in regards to the information about the monitor below in the description box, and some links if you want to check out the latest price. So let's see what's in the box, and I'll pick up my trusty Swiss Army knife. Here we got the monitor, very clean, very nice. I got the silver model, but they also have a black model if you are looking for an option like this. So this is the height. It has a nice green energy label, so it won't consume a lot of power as well. So let's put this on the side and let's see what we have more in the box. More foam out the window. So these are the drivers, monitor, and the manual how to use them. You get some cables so you can connect them with your PC. You got the power brick over here, also in white. Then you got the stand. No, this is the adjustment setting. So open it. Oh. With this you can adjust the height of the monitor itself, so which is very handy if you have a little bit more space or you want to adjust it. We'll put this on the side as well. Then over here we have the rub aluminum style stand. So you put the stand in the height and then attach the monitor, adjust the wires, and you're done. So let's see what we have. This is an attachment for all the wires that go behind your monitor, which is very handy as well. So I believe we have everything out of it. These are the instruction guides. And let's see. This is a display insurance report, so you can check out the gamut rate, the color data, and if it is all correctly. So let's see what we get when we put it together. So now I put the parts together. It was quite easy to do. At the bottom half of the monitor there are two screws which you put in to the adjustable setting. Then just turn it around and it has an indicator which is lock or unlock. And then you have the upper part which goes into the monitor itself, which is quite easy. The only thing that you do is you shove it in upwards and then click it in. Now let's talk about the ports. You have Thunderbolt ports, so if you have Apple products or, for example, a MacBook, you can also link this monitor to your MacBook or your iMac. Then you have a USB-C port, which is very useful as it is also future-proofing your monitor for later use. You have a DPI in port. You have two HDMI ports, so for example if you want to plug in your Xbox or your PlayStation, that's also possible. So that's it for the actual ports. Now let's talk about the actual features of the monitor itself. So let's run down some specs, because I already set up the monitor. In general, what you can do with it, it has 99% sRGB, so the colors that are representative are at least almost 100% perfect representable. So if you want to edit, make videos, or play games from a realistic color perspective, which is very nice to do on this. It has USB-C, so it's also future-proof. You get a lot of cables as well, so you get your power brick, the combination, you get a USB-C to USB-A, USB-C to USB-C. You get the power brick for your Thunderbolt port. So for example, if you want to link it up with your MacBook as well, you can do that. It has FreeSync, which means that it will also be very smooth when you're playing games. It has a game mode, so it then adjusts to how the frame rate should go, get 60 frames per second, etc. But you could also then turn it off to monitor settings as well, if you would just want to play a video or just want to watch YouTube videos, etc. But why I actually picked this one, it's quite small as well. I don't need a large monitor, but what I want is to be able to edit 4K as well, because I'm making videos, as you can see. And let's set it up and I'll give you my final feedback. So it's been a couple of weeks that I actually used the monitor. I have to say, it's sharp, effective, future-proof. It charges my phone while being plugged in. I can watch TV on it. I can play an Xbox game or a PlayStation. And if you have an HDMI cable, you can also watch DVDs on it. So the future is here. I won't be buying a monitor for a long while, and it's an absolute recommender for me if you want to buy a new monitor that is 4K. So I hope the video was helpful. If it did, leave a like. If you have questions in regards to the monitor, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll hope to see you in the next video. This is Ivan from the Realistic Viewer channel, helping you achieve more.